Reducing unwanted energy transfers. In this section, we will have a look at a few ways to reduce unwanted energy transfers. We will cover lubrication and insulation. Let's begin with lubrication. Lubrication reduces frictional force. Whenever something moves, there is usually at least one frictional force acting against it. This causes some energy in the system to be dissipated. Air resistance can transfer energy from falling objects' kinetic energy store to its thermal energy store. For objects that are being rubbed together causing friction, lubrication can be used to reduce the amount of friction between the object's surfaces when they move. Lubricants are usually liquids, like oil, so they can flow easily between objects and coat them. Now let's look at insulation. Insulation reduces the rate of energy transfer by heating. There are a few things you can do to prevent energy losses through heating. Having thick walls that are made from materials with a low thermal conductivity, the thicker the walls and the lower their thermal conductivity, the slower the rate of energy transfer will be. Using thermal insulation helps with insulation. Let's have a look at some examples of this in a house. Some houses have cavity walls. These are made up of inner and outer walls with an air gap in the middle. The air gap reduces the amount of energy transferred by conduction through the walls. Loft insulation can reduce convection current being created in lofts, and double-glazed windows work in the same way as cavity walls. They have an air gap between the two sheets of glass to prevent energy transfer by conduction through the windows.